What is going on, everyone? It is me, Bullish Investor, again, back with another daily market update. Today is July 22nd, 2022. The total crypto market cap is still above 1 trillion. Still good to see that. I really like to see the market cap above 1 trillion. And the 24-hour volume is at 72 billion. Down a slight bit from where we were at yesterday, but still pretty much the same volume. Today, Bitcoin is down 1%, Ethereum's down 2%. Everything's kind of down like 1%, 2%, 4% on Solana. Top gainer on the day was Bitcoin Gold for some reason, up 26%. EOS is up 13%, almost 13%. Kusama is up almost 10%. Neo is up 8%. Quantum, or QTUM, is up 6.8%. Trust Wallet token, I didn't even know this was a thing yet, but it's up 6%. So some coins here are up, some outliers are up. I don't hold any of these though. Crypto bubbles right now on the day. Obviously, Bitcoin Gold is up 25%. I don't know why Bitcoin Gold is pumping today, but it is. Everything else is pretty much down though, besides Kusama and EOS and Neo. But everything else is pretty much down. On the week, we're still looking pretty good. Everything is still up on the week. So if you bought anything over the past week, you are most likely up, depending on where you bought it at. Right now, everything's still doing pretty well. I do think another crash is coming soon, but we'll have to get into that later in the video. Crypto Fear and Greed Index, we're at 33, basically the same thing as yesterday. We're at 34, so we're down 1 point from yesterday. Not going to change the markets or anything too much. Last week we're at 15, and last month we're at 11. So we are recovering a little bit. I'm sure if you saw last video, the last month was actually at 9 points, not 11. So we are steadily going up as time goes on, but we'll have to see how that plays out. And last but not least, before we get into the articles here, the NFT volume, we got almost all these NFTs are down big right now, down 30%, 28%, 3%. Moonbirds are still up 63%. I think they're up in last video as well. Other D down 18%, 75% down on Moonbirds. I don't know what Clone X is, but that's up 142%. Ethereum is down 26%, Solana up 7%, Flow up 34%, and Panini up 94%. Still pretty low transactions, actually very low transactions on the day. I think yesterday Solana was around 50 to 60,000 transactions, and Ethereum was around like 35-ish. Still holding the same level for Ethereum, but Solana is down quite a bit from where we were at yesterday with the amount of transactions on it. Maybe there was just a hype mint that came up yesterday that I wasn't aware of. But right now, NFTs are pretty stale as the market is pretty stale. So let's get into the news. So we'll start right off with the highlight of the video. So Coinbase rejects SEC's claim that 9 Ethereum-based altcoins are securities. So if you didn't know, if you didn't hear about this, the SEC claimed that there was 9 Ethereum-based tokens that were securities. So the coins are, just so you guys will know, because honestly, if you're holding any of these coins, not financial advice, but I think they could see some negative price action due to this. So we got AMP, RLY, Power, XYO, which I am an investor in XYO, and AMP. Rary Governance Token, LCX, which I also am an investor in, DDX, DFX, and CROM. So I might have to sell some of my positions in XYO, AMP, and LCX, just because they're claiming that these are securities. Now, I don't know what's going to really happen with this because Coinbase rejects the SEC's claim with this, but this doesn't really mean anything. The SEC can still say, okay, well, you may reject it, but we're still gonna claim these as securities. So if you don't know, basically XRP was claimed as a security, which they're being sued for, and that's why you basically see no price action out of XRP over the past 3, 4, 5 years. So this could be the very same thing that's going to happen with these few coins here. Let me just go back to the article. So that was these few coins here. If you want to check out this article, I can link it in the description so you can check out and see what coins are here. Just to make sure you don't buy any of these right now. Just right now, it's really skeptical to buy something if the SEC claims that they are securities. I would recommend holding off and not buying any of these specific coins that I've highlighted here. Just stay away for now and wait until the SEC says something different about the coins or claims that they are not securities and they leave it. But right now, I would say don't invest in any of these coins highlighted here. I just think you're going to see negative price action out of it. If not, you might see nothing happen for the next few years. So I think you'd be way better off just having money sitting on the side, waiting for something to happen, or just investing in a coin you believe in long term. So next article here, we got heatwave causes largest Bitcoin mining power drop since China ban. So in Texas right now, they're experiencing a large heat wave that is so hot they're having to shut down these Bitcoin mining rigs. So the reason why this is a big deal is because Texas has a lot of these Bitcoin mining rigs. At the bottom here, The large-scale mining operations in Texas had to temporarily halt their activities due to the appeal of Texas Power Company. So apparently it was super hot, and they couldn't run their Bitcoin mining rigs. So it could negatively affect Bitcoin and crypto in general. But hopefully, I don't know how long heat waves are in Texas. I've never been to Texas, so I don't know what the temperature's like in Texas. But it does suck that they have to halt the Bitcoin mining here. So basically, if there's no mining in Bitcoin, there's really no one's mining the Bitcoin, right? Well, there's still pieces of people around the world, but if there's large Bitcoin operations like this that have to be halted because it's so hot outside, they can't run the machines, they can't be mining Bitcoin, which makes, so if people are mining Bitcoin, it makes less Bitcoin in circulation, which increases the supply and demand, makes the price go up. So if no one's mining Bitcoin, the supply and demands, there's not going to be any, so the price is going to drop. So basically, if this stays and the heat wave doesn't get any better and it doesn't cool down, this could drop Bitcoin's price a bit. Not financial advice, I'm just saying. It could negatively affect the markets, but I hope that's not the case. Next, we got Bitcoin's Lightning Network capacity rises to a new high amid the bear market. So Bitcoin's Lightning Network capacity has basically rose way past where it was at previously. So you can see it's actually up. So they've been able to move more Bitcoin on the Lightning Network. So you can see it's up actually 34% for the Lightning Network capacity on Bitcoin. So if we were actually in a bull market right now, this would be extremely good news, and we probably see a really good bullish candle on Bitcoin because of this. But since we're kind of in a stale bearish market, this isn't really moving the price very much. As you can tell, Bitcoin is doing nothing really right now. It's down 1%. I don't know if Bitcoin's going to see any bullish moves. Obviously not because of this news, because it's already come out. But I think if we were already in a bullish move and Bitcoin is at least above 60,000, like 50, 60,000, it could have moved a decent amount of percent off of this news. But it's cool to see that this is at the highest rises to new highs amid the bear market. So it is cool to see that this is actually rising to new highs amid the crypto bear market. But let's get into the next article. So it's the last article for the video here. We got incoming lows. Market players reveal what to expect from Bitcoin in the near term. So in the short term, people are thinking there's going to be a decently big crypto crash, of what I've been saying in the past few daily market updates. If you haven't watched those, go check them out. Basically, I've been saying that there's probably going to be one more dip, or not really a crash, but kind of a drop from where we're at right now before the bull run happens. I don't believe Bitcoin has bottomed out yet. I think what we were seeing as the markets were going up here, I think this was just kind of a bear market recovery. People kind of trying to pump the market a little bit, maybe get some money out before it drops even more, before everyone starts buying a ton more crypto. I know there were a lot of people buying crypto before this pump over the past week. Those people are up a lot if they actually sell. I hope they do, because I do think another drop is coming. I actually sold some more crypto pretty recently. I guess we'll have to see, right? I have no idea if it's going to drop. This could be the start of the bull run, right? Who really knows? But analysts do believe Bitcoin bottom will be unexpected. It could just hit overnight. It could just crash. Right now, we're kind of just waiting. I'm kind of sitting on the sidelines, patiently waiting for this drop to invest a large sum of money, because I think the next drop will probably be one of the last ones we will see in a very long time, at least to the levels that it's probably going to drop to. A lot of people are predicting maybe $10,000 to $15,000 Bitcoin. If that does happen, I do think a lot of people are going to be buying. So if this goes down to 10 to 15,000, Ethereum will probably go below 1,000. Solana might even go below $20. I don't know how good of an investment Solana is right now, because there's a lot of shady news going on about them. I've talked about Solana and what's been going on with them in the past few videos. So if you haven't seen those videos, go check them out. I don't really know what lows we could see on some of these coins. I don't really see Polygon going too much lower. They've just secured some good deals with Disney, and they're working with Ethereum, which I've talked about in the last video, so go check that out. But if Bitcoin does go down to 10 to 15,000, I do think it would be one of the best buying opportunities we will ever get in our lifetime again, unless something drastic happens, which I don't think will, if Bitcoin goes down to that low. But basically, this is what analysts are predicting. This is what I'm predicting. I've even seen other people on Twitter. I've seen Alex Becker saying he's predicting another drop as well. So I do think another drop is coming. I'm not 100% sure though. But this is also good. It's kind of good to see that someone else, an article is agreeing with something I'm saying. So I do think another buying opportunity is coming. So if you haven't bought crypto yet and you're thinking about maybe getting in, don't buy right now. Maybe wait until another drop happens, like a drastic, maybe 10, 15, 20, 30, 40% drop, right? Maybe then would be your best buying opportunity, because then you can get in at the absolute lowest of the market. Yeah, I've heard people saying, oh, it's better to have time in the market than timing the market. So the longer you're in the market, the better it'll be. But with crypto, it's so volatile, you never know what's going to happen. If you're buying like an index fund, that's completely different. Buy an index fund whenever you're going to buy it, just buy it. That's the best time to buy it. Just buying it is the best time. Bitcoin, you have to be smart about it because it's such a minute asset compared to the whole global economy. You have to be smart about when you're actually buying digital currencies because it's very minute compared to everything else on the global scale. So please be smart about your next buy opportunity. So guys, that is all I have for today's daily market update. Thank you all for watching. If you want to get started investing in crypto, check out the links in the description there. We have a trading group down there. It's only $50 a month for free for signals for trading crypto, futures, spot calls, NFTs, even free giveaways. So go check it out. Everything is in the description below. If you like the video, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.